your dental retainer cracked, broke, or got misplaced. We get it, these things happen. Pets chew them, they get stepped on. Sometimes you just forget where you put the thing. If you lost your retainer, you don't want to put off getting a replacement retainer any longer than you have to. Your teeth can quickly start to shift without a retainer being worn regularly. If your retainer is cracked or broken, it is still best to continue to try and wear it, if possible, while ordering a new retainer and waiting for it to arrive. You can get your replacement retainer in one of two ways. The first one is through your dentist. The traditional way to replace a retainer is to go to your dentist or orthodontist. They will likely already have your impression and can make you a replacement retainer based on that. While this may seem like the more convenient option, the price of replacing a retainer through a dentist fluctuates greatly depending on the location and even from dentist to dentist. This cost can be anywhere from $200 to $800 per retainer, making replacing your retainer a potentially expensive prospect. Your second option is to order a replacement retainer online. One way to remove the overhead costs from a replacement retainer is to go to the direct source by making your own impressions and ordering a retainer from the same dental labs that dentists and orthodontists order from. You can order a self-impression kit online with SportingSmiles, take your impressions at home, and mail it directly into a dental lab to be created. This cuts out the middleman while still getting the same high-quality product. Not all broken retainers necessarily need to be replaced. If you have the Holly model, a dental lab may be able to repair them instead of replacing the retainer. This can be more cost effective, so it may be worth checking before getting it replaced. Unfortunately, if you have a clear retainer, these can't be repaired when they are cracked. Thankfully, with SportingSmiles, clear retainers are easy and affordable to replace. And when you reorder with SportingSmiles, you get a huge discount. This means that you can replace your retainer and get a backup for the next time something goes wrong. All of this for less than you would pay at the dentist. Don't put your smile in jeopardy and delay replacing your retainer until you can afford it. Get your impression kit today and get a replacement retainer made quickly and affordable. And while you're shopping, why not get that spare while you're at it, just in case your dog gets a hold of your retainer. Your smile is worth it. You can browse SportingSmiles retainer sections in the description below.